Hello to all my friends, meet again with the Rising of Ronin Bonsai. Here, the original on the rocks of the Stray Blues Asper. Keep stay tuned with the Rising of Ronin Bonsai. Okay, to all my friends, this is the update for the part 2 of the Stray Blues Asper original on the rocks. Okay, now we have to clean it. Okay, and we have to do the the twig selection. Keep always stay tuned with the Rising of Ronin Bonsai. Okay, to all my friends, I will clean it first from the grass, okay, and then we are pruning and make some defoliation, okay, for the twig in here, okay, that we have to selection now, okay. At the part 1, you can see about this Stray Blues Asper from the step-by-step processes. Okay, now it is very fertile. Okay, now it is time for us to get some other step for this Stray Blues Asper. This is very special because this is original on the rocks from Tuban region at East Java. Okay. Okay, we see this. This is the twisted. Okay, it was twisted. Okay, this is already very fertile. This is the second hand. Okay, second hand. The twisted looks bigger now. Okay. Okay, I will do some cut for the twig in here. Okay, I will find the good one. Okay, I will use hand tool in here to make sure that the twig in here not eat the wire. Okay, because this is more bigger now. Okay, let me check it. Maybe about 2 or 3 months again, I will release this. Okay, but I will check it now. Okay, I could remove the wire if it is strong enough, or maybe 1 month again I will remove the wire. Okay, okay, good enough. It is look strong. Okay, this is look strong. Okay. Okay. Okay, you can see this. Okay, this is already the wire. I have to release this. Okay, let me check. Okay, this I think too I have to remove this. Okay. This is the small one. Okay, the small one. I'm on recording about the bigger one of the original on the rocks, okay, Strepus asper, okay, but I'm still filming it, okay, because the characteristic over there I will tell you, okay, about this species, okay, over there. This is still on the process, okay, on the process. For this one, that is already almost 1 year, okay, on recording, almost 1 year, okay. I will tell you how to handle it, okay, because over there that's already dead and then live again, okay. Okay, I'm release this. Okay, you can see in here, okay, this is will be a good shape, okay. You can see my episode about how to make bigger the stem in here, okay, using a wire, okay. For this we have to push, okay, because this like this, okay. This is it, okay. We have to push it, okay, like this, okay. I will try to remove this, okay. This is look strong enough, okay. This is strong enough but not strong, so I will wiring it again, okay. But I release this, okay, to save this, okay. I will wire this again, okay. Okay, now I'm clean this, okay, find the good branches and the good shape in here, okay. I'm doing this slowly, okay, to see one by one. See one by one, okay. For beginners, okay, like us, when we are confused to prune like this, okay, we can first is remove all the leaves in here first, okay. You can doing like this, okay, remove all of the leaf like this first, okay, and then we are making the branch selection, okay. Remove all in here the leaf, so we can see clearly about the twig and the branches in here. We remove all like this, okay. Okay, to make example for you, okay, I will remove all like this first, okay. Okay, I will remove the leaf first. Okay, after we remove all the leaf, okay, almost all of the leaf, now we can see the flow of the twig in here, okay, flow of the branches. Now we can decide which one we have to remove, okay. We are follow how it grow, okay, how it flowing, okay. Now we can choose the branches, choose the twig in here, which one we have to cut, Okay, like this. Now this is more easy to us to see, and how we make selection in here. Okay, to avoid the crossing twig. Okay, the crossing branches. Okay, we can see now more clearly. Okay, like this. Okay, we are doing this just like the aim. We have to make the dimension. We can see the dimension of the branches and the twig in here. So this is now looks more clearly. Okay, how it flow. Okay, okay, like this. In here we try the up branches that we use. Okay, we are avoiding the lower. Okay, the lower ground, the below. We cut this. Okay, now looks better. Oops. Okay, okay, I have to use other. Okay, okay. You can see now that the flowing, okay, the flow of the branches in here. We have to choose to make a good dimension after the leaf is growing. Okay, okay, this. Okay, you can see in here this is very unlucky for me, not growing at all, but I'm still waiting. Okay, okay, like this. Okay, okay, this is the first hand. Looks better now. Okay, looks better now. Looks good. Okay, we have make some selection. Okay, this is still left. Okay, this is still. I have to choose. Okay, done. You can see in here. Okay, the flow of the grandson branches in here. Okay. This is a bad process for the twig in here. Okay. This is the grandson branches in here. Okay, okay, now looks good. Okay, better now. I will wearing this. Okay, wearing this. Okay, okay, to make a new other perception in here. Okay, in here I have I'm using alt wire. Okay, and then for this I make it a little bit up to here. Okay, like this, and then for this this is just to make a stimulated, not 100% function for the wiring. Okay, this is the function. Okay, and then I'm using this like this, and then this is the first hand background. Okay, I'm make it move to the up in here. Okay, to fill the empty space in here. Okay, to see like this. Okay, you can see, and then I'm using this wire like this. Okay, okay, like this. Okay, Okay, from the back in here like this. Okay, I'm tied it. Okay, to fill the empty space in here. Okay, like this. Okay, now you can see this is the main crown in here. Okay, and then this is the second crown. Okay, and then this is the crown. Okay, the other crown. Okay, and this is the other crown too. Okay, this is the basic. Okay, now it is look good. Okay, maybe about 1 month again I will update about this, the Stradbus Asper. Okay, original on the rocks. Okay, this is from up. Okay, looks better. Okay, okay, this is the update part 2. Okay, for the Stradbus Asper original on the rocks from Tuban region, East Java. Okay, to all my friends, keep always stay tuned with the rising of Ronin bonsai. And for the Stradbus Asper, you can see and wait for the 1 year's, okay, 1 year's recording. I will show you about the characteristic of the Stradbus Asper. Okay, to all my friend, thank you very much. Keep stay tuned with the rising of Ronin bonsai.